So this is the Suburban 2009, and I just jumped into it today, and I noticed there was water dripping from right here. Water dripping from right there, and of course it's completely dry inside. And I'm thinking, is there an actual leak, or is it just a whole lot of condensation pooling? This windshield was replaced previously, but it's completely dry there. The funny thing is I don't see any condensation or moisture at all, besides what dripped off of here, which pooled right on the sticker. You see the sticker's all water damaged, so it's not a recent thing, but it may be just hot cold. You get some condensation on the upper part of the ceiling there above the headliner, and then it pools on this low spot. So that's a possibility. Just a lot of that, and it's been snowing the last couple of weeks, so maybe with the difference in temperature, this is what happened. I'm just running the vehicle now with the air conditioning on, trying to get whatever humidity is out of the vehicle, and there's really not a whole lot, but I'm just going to be driving around with this center upper ceiling console out to see if I get water coming from the windshield. So that's pretty much it for that. Now let's move to the pickup. So this is a 2500 HD 04 regular cab long box, and I was just moving it into the garage because I thought, oh, this truck's been outside all winter in the snow. Let's move it inside. And I noticed as I was pulling in, there was water dripping from the lens. Kind of exactly the same story as the other one, but this lens is on the back. And let's see if I can shed some light on this. So look inside the lens hole, it's full of water. And I'm positive that's not coming from the windshield, that's just condensation from hot, cold, and it sat in the snow. It snowed the last couple of weeks off and on. So I need to, before I don't want any mold in here, so I'm gonna drop this liner and dry it all out and just take a look to see if there's anything dripping. But for sure this is from hot, cold, and condensation forming on the ceiling. So I wonder if anybody else has had any kind of problems like this. So both of them, this is in the 04 pickup and the other one's a 09 Suburban. This is just a work truck, no AC, so I can't drive with the AC. I just got this cranked. Yeah, pretty good on here. So anyways, your thoughts? Is normal? Anything to worry about? Certainly hope not. Alright, so here's video 2. I just pulled the headliner out of the pickup, and that's got to be the easiest headliner to pull. It's only a total of 8 screws, 4 per visor, actually 3 per visor, and then the hold downs. And then you don't even have screws for the grab handles and the coat hooks in the back here. You basically just pull. Great design. But looking at the ceiling here, this is full of condensation, and there's no way that this thing's leaking. The only thing that could possibly leak is the third brake plate in the back, and that didn't give us this. Luckily there's no rust here. Dark spot here. I don't know, maybe mold somehow, but yeah, definitely not a water leak. It's just hot, cold condensation, and I'm hoping that's the same thing that was forming on the roof of the Suburban over there and causing it to pool in the front map light area. So I'm just gonna dry this out, and I'll probably let the liner sit out for a day or so. Not like I'm driving this truck right now in the middle of winter, but I'm gonna dry it up, and then that's basically about it. But this is soaking wet right now. So wet. So yeah, other people must have noticed the similar issue with these trucks, or any other truck for that matter. But I've never seen it in any of my cars. But I know you can't let something sit outside for too long, or moisture is gonna cause all kinds of damage. And this basically proves that. All right.